Hello guys, good evening, and this is Mike Padua, and we are back again with our weekend edition of our weather analysis for today, Saturday until Monday, April 13 to 15, 2024, and it's almost midnight, okay, and we are watching Sunday, but we are here to bring you the very latest. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000. And we would like to thank our partners, Naga College Foundation, one of the best institutions in the Bicol region, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You program. If you're interested, just click on the link up here, or if you're watching via Facebook, just go to this description. There's a link towards their website for more details. Also, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the best or one of the best hotels in the Bicol region. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So, let's begin now with our update. Here's the weekend graph sat. This is valid for the next 48 hours until Monday, since we don't issue updates during Sunday. So it's all quiet across the Philippine Islands, warm and dry once again. And usual Easterlies is back, bringing some increasing high heat index. Okay. And chances of thunderstorms and rain showers is limited, and it's only present across some portions of eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao. However, overall across the Philippine Islands, we will be experiencing some hot and dry conditions, calm with variable winds. Okay, and don't forget to drink lots of fluids, lots of water, to battle this extreme heat index. Okay. And just avoid going out between 10 to 4 p.m. since this is the time where the extreme heat of this heat index is affecting our bodies, okay? And especially if we have high blood pressure or whatever, all the others like heat strokes, muscle cramps. So this is crucial, especially for the elderly, okay? And outside of PAR, we have development of the Intertropical Convergence Zone. Usually during the time of April, May until June, it's starting to develop over the Micronesian Islands. And we have here a departing shoreline and frontal system, which gave us some decreased heat index, but today it's again back to its higher data, okay, of increasing heat across our country. And here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, and you can clearly see here we are devoid of any cloudiness or thunderstorms that could bring rainfall. We have here the Intertropical Convergence Zone starting to develop north of the equator, since the IDCJ are mostly present. It's called as the South Pacific Convergence Zone, and this is present from November to March over the northern areas of Australia, just south of the equator. So today it's starting to move up, okay? And for the zoom in solar animation, everything is peaceful. Here's the animation beginning 5 o'clock this afternoon until the evening. There's nothing much to explain. We are all quiet and clear. Now here's the latest highest heat index observed in our city here in Naga as of Saturday, April 13. Barangay Liboton is the highest right now at 44.3 degrees Celsius around 3:09 p.m. So it's danger for heat cramps and heat exhaustion, and also heat stroke is probable with continued exposure. So if you continue to expose yourself underneath the sun, it's very dangerous to your health, and heat stroke is likely. And for the next 2 days, the highest index or heat index forecast for Pag-asa Agcomet Station in Sibisua, Pili, Camarines Sur are now predicting heat index of 40 to 41 degrees Celsius. That's for tomorrow, April 14, until Monday, April 15. And take note, this is only for Pili, so we expect here in Naga, it will reach, it could reach a high of 42 to 45 degrees Celsius. So, in any way, just avoid under the sun during the time that I mentioned, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, here's the automated weather stations. T2K automated Typhoon 2000 automated weather stations, highest heat index observation for today, Saturday. Like what I said, the button is the highest so far, 44.3, and second is Clavanga, Camarines Sur at 43.2, followed by Concepcion Grande, Naga City. First time it entered the top 3 at 43.1, Mabolo 42.8. Over Concepcion and San Felipe, they are tied at number 5, with both have 42.2 degrees temperature of heat index, followed by Basud, Camarines Norte 40.7. Sorsogon and Legazpi, it's much lower compared to Naga City. It's 40.2. And Sangay, Camarines Sur at 40 degrees, while the lowest the heat index observed at our various T2K weather stations can be found in Virac. Okay, it's 39.3 was the highest observed around 11:09 a.m. The reason why Catanduanes is always experiencing this low heat index because they are closer to the Pacific, so fresh sea breeze will decrease the heat index, while over our city, those that have more vegetation, more trees, will also help decrease the heat index, the highest heat index, I mean. Okay, and for the Pag-asa report, this is the latest as of 5 p.m., April 13, based on their data for today, April 13. The highest can be found in Apari, Cagayan, 43 degrees, followed by Lawag. Okay, so it's really hot. Palawan, Puerto Princesa, Aborlan, 43. Over at the Region 5 weather stations in various key cities of the 6 provinces, it looks like the highest is over Catanduanes, Masbate, and Sibisua. Okay, but at our weather station, it's currently here in Naga, it's the highest, 43 or 44. Let me see. Yeah, 44 degrees centigrade. So it depends on the location. Since Pag-asa have only one station per province, that's why they are limited at this kind of data. Okay, as for the wind forecast, nothing to report. Until Monday, we will be experiencing some easterly wind flow with a lighter blow of the winds from the east. And if we are speaking of the rain forecast, nothing more, just cloudy conditions. But on Monday afternoon, there might be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in various sections of Mindanao. Here in Bicol region, nothing more rather than the cloudy conditions, but there might be a possibility of still some isolated rain showers across some portions of Bicol region. As for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, most of the Philippine Islands will remain dry except for the eastern sections of Bicol, eastern Visayas, eastern Mindanao. There might be some isolated showers. Okay, so that's the 3-day rainfall accumulation forecast. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas to fight this extreme heat whenever you're going out. Okay, it's dual purpose. Umbrellas are dual purpose. It can be used for extreme heat of the sun and also rainfall. And for the wave forecast, today Saturday until Monday, nothing changes. The wave heights over the East Philippine Sea will remain around 1.3 to 1.7 meters light, okay, and suitable for fishing and sea travel, and it will be much better across the inland waters of the Philippine Islands from calm conditions up to almost 1 meter, and also here across the West Philippine Sea from west of Ilocos region down to the west of Palawan. That includes the Calayan Island group. So expect calm to light waves of up to almost 1 meter will be expected along these areas. So there you go. That's the latest for this Saturday evening. And we will return next week to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying happy weekend to all. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. Drink lots of fluids, lots of water. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.